Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Phantom wallet to Pump.fun. So the first thing that you have to do is go to Chrome Web Store. From here, just search for Phantom so that we can add Phantom wallet to our Google extension. So when you search that one, just click on this one. So just have to click on this. So as you can see, it's showing the remove from Chrome because that means that I already have the Phantom wallet. So in here, I'm just going to open my Phantom wallet. So from here, you just go ahead and click on the search icon at the bottom right and then search for Pump.fun. So once you search on that one, you will see this result. So click on that one and then you will be redirected to another page. So let's just wait for it to load a bit. So from here, just click on I'm ready to pump. So just skip on this one, accept all. And from here, you just go ahead and click on the login at here. So once you click on that one, you will just have to click on the Phantom right here to connect both. So the Phantom wallet will be seen in here. So we'll just have to click on connect and then just go ahead and click on confirm here. So as you can see, it's loading, but when it's done, your Phantom wallet and Pump.fun will be connected. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!